Gaming mechanical keyboard with blue switches. The clicky blue switch gaming keyboard brings the best gaming experience to gamers and the most clean look for your desk layout. Stylish dual-colored keycaps with aluminum texture panel. White and modern designs of the PC and computer keyboard. The two-color keycaps make your gaming style different and even unique. Mechanical keyboard with number keys for work and office. The ZEUS GAMDIAS keyboard is not just for daily use at work or offices but also improve your work to the next level. 4 multimedia hotkeys, 6 built-in and 5 programmable lighting effects. With multiple functional keys, the white gaming keyboard for PC gives extra and extraordinary use for users. 104 keys with N-key rollover and ergonomic design. The ergonomic design makes the keyboard excellent for long-time use and keeps your palm and arm easy while using desktops. Hermes M5 comes with a fresh outlook of dual-colored keycaps, N-key rollover, 32-bit ARM Cortex processor which built in with 6 lighting effects and refined aluminum alloy finish. This is the keyboard that combines pragmatism within aesthetic. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. Looks amazing and feels perfect. I don't do much gaming with keyboard and mouse, but makes the setup look great and feels good.